in this video the chapter number 2nd of class 7th, and that is fractions. So in the last video we have completed the various types of fractions. The 4 part have completed, and next part 5th equivalent fraction. So now let's see the next part, equivalent fractions. So equivalent fraction is, and next part is equivalent fraction. A given fraction, and the fractions obtained by multiplying or dividing its numerator and denominator by the same non-zero numbers are called equivalent fractions. So student, 5th types equivalent fraction. A given fraction and the fractions obtained by the multiplying and or dividing its numerator and denominator by the same non-zero numbers are called equivalent fraction. For example, fraction is 2/3. This a given fraction 2/3 and the fraction obtained by multiplying. So obtained by fraction, numerator multiply the same non-zero numbers, तो same non-zero number 2, again multiply denominator भी same non-zero number. So same non-zero number is 2. So multiply is 2 into 2 4, 3 into 2 6. So a given fraction is 2/3 and the fraction obtained by multiplying fraction is 4/6. Its numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number. So multiply numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number. So same non-zero number is 2. So this fraction is called the equivalent fraction. Okay, and next example, this part same fraction 2/3, again multiply numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number. The same non-zero number is 5. Okay, so obtained fraction is 2 into 5 10, 3 into 5 15. So 10/15 also called a equivalent fraction. Okay, and next example, second 1/7. Okay, so given fraction is 1/7. 1/7 multiply numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number. So same non-zero number is 3. Okay, same non-zero number. So fraction obtained is 1 into 3 3, 3 into 7 21. So the obtained fraction by multiplying, okay, numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number. It's called a equivalent fraction. Okay, so given fraction and equivalent fraction both are equal. Okay student, given fraction and equivalent fraction both are होगी equal. Okay, करते हैं नेक्स्ट टाइप इज लाइक फ्रैक्शन. सो स्टूडेंट नेक्स्ट 6 टाइप लाइक फ्रैक्शंस. तो लाइक फ्रैक्शन इज fractions having the same denominators but different numerators are called like fraction. So student next type 6 like fraction. तो fraction having the same denominator but different numerator are called like fraction. For example 7 upon 13, 9 upon 13, 11 upon 13, 21 upon 13, 87 upon 13. Okay, so all fractions the denominator are same. So denominator is all 13 but numerator different 7, 9, 11, 21 and 87. So all fractions are like fractions. Okay student, so like fraction is fraction having the same denominator, तो same denominator but different numerator. तो different numerator 7, 9, 11, 21, 87 different are called like fraction. तो all fractions are like fractions. Okay student, करते हैं next question, next part 7. Unlike fractions. तो unlike fractions having different denominator, different denominators are called unlike fractions. So student next type 7 unlike fraction. तो fractions having different numerators are called unlike fraction. For example 2 upon 3, 9 upon 5, 11 upon 13, 21 upon 10, 87 upon 33. Okay, so all fractions having different denominator. So denominator 3, 5, 13, 10, 33. All denominator are different. Okay, 3, 5, 13, 10 and 33. So all having fraction different denominator are called like unlike fractions. So all fractions are unlike fraction. So student next exercise solve. Exercise number 2a. Exercise is 2a. Question number first is compare So question number first is compare the fractions. First part is 5/8 and 7/12. तो फर्स्ट टाइप कंपेयर द फ्रैक्शंस, दोनों फ्रैक्शंस में कंपेयर करना है। तो कंपेयर के लिए सिंबल्स यूज लेंगे, ग्रेटर देन, लेस देन एंड इक्वल सिंबल्स को। ओके, सो कंपेयर करना है 5/8 एंड 7/12 फ्रैक्शंस को। बाय क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन। तो वी हैव 5/8 and 7/12 है, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई। तो 5 into 12 है एंड दिस साइड 7 into 8। तो 5 into 12 है, तो 12 5 जा 60 एंड दिस साइड 7 into 8 56। ओके, तो 60 इज मोर देन 58, 60 is more than 58. So then 60 fraction is 5/8 is greater than second fraction 7/12. This is your answer. Okay student, and next second part, 5/9 and 11/15. So same process, by cross multiplication. So we have 5/9 and 15/11/15 cross multiplication. So 5 into 15 and next 11 into 9. So 5 into 15 equal to 75 and 11 into 9 99. So 75 is the less than 99. Okay, so 75 is the fraction of 5/9 and 99 is the fraction of 11/15. So 5/9 is less than 11/15. This is your answer. Okay student, and next third type, and third part is 11/12 and 15/16. So same process, by cross multiplication. We have 11/12 and 15/16 cross multiply. So 11 into 16 and 15 into 12 है, तो 11 into 16 176, 15 into 12 है 180. ओके, तो 176 is less than 180. तो 176 fraction is 11/12 and 180 is fraction is 15/16. So 11/12 fraction is less than second fraction 15/16. This is answer. Okay student. So student, question number second, arrange the following fractions in ascending order. So arrange the following fractions in ascending order. So ascending order means minimum fraction to maximum fraction. Okay, minimum number to maximum number, yeah, smallest number to largest number. Okay, so first part is 3/4, 5/6, 7/9 and 11/12 है. तो फ्रैक्शन गिवन इज फर्स्ट पार्ट 3/4, 5/6, 7/9 एंड 11/12 है. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप इज टेक द एलसीएम ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर. एलसीएम ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर 4, 6, 9, 12 है ईच. तो एलसीएम ऑफ 4, 6, 9, 12 है इक्वल टू 36. Okay, and now let us change each of the given fraction into an equivalent fraction having 36 as its denominator. The first fraction is 3/4 equal to 3/4 multiply 36. So first fraction 3/4. तो 3/4 multiply numerator and denominator both of 9. So 9 3s are 27 and 9 4s are 36. So change the denominator 36. Second fraction 5/6. So 5/6 numerator and denominator both are multiply 6. So 5 into 6 30 and 6 into 6 36. Again change the denominator 6 to 36 and next fraction is 7/9. The fraction given is 7/9. Numerator and denominator both are multiply 4. So 7 into 4 28 and 9 into 4 36. Again change the denominator 9 to 36 and last fraction 11/12 है. 11/12 numerator and denominator both are multiply 3. 11 into 3 33. 12 into 3 36. Again change the denominator 12 to 36. Okay, so new fraction is 27/36, 30/36, 28/36 and 33/36. The first is 27/36, next 30/36, next 28/36 and next 33/36. Okay student, and now only compare between numerators 27, 30, 28 and 33. So student, all denominator are 36, same denominator, so only compare between numerators 27 30, 28 and 33. So smallest numerator is 27. So 27 upon 36. Next, second smallest numerator is 28. So 28 upon 36. And next smallest numerator is 30 upon 36, and largest numerator is 33. So 33 upon 36. Okay. So now compare the fractions. 27 upon 36. The 27 upon 36 is compare. The 27 upon 36 is equal to 3 upon 4 less than 28 upon 36. The 28 upon 36 is fraction 7 upon 9. Next, 30 upon 36, the fraction is 5 upon 6. And 33 upon 36, the fraction is 11 upon 12. And this is your answer.